Welcome back, YouTube. Today you're on the Ernest P YouTube channel, and we're here for another segment of How Far Will It Drag? On today's episode, we'll be answering a question that's as old as time itself. Which will drag further, Coke or Pepsi? At least a question that's as old as pop culture itself. So what we're gonna do is take both these bottles and give them a good shaking. Perfect, nice and tight. And we'll be tying each bottle individually by the cap and dragging it down the road as we do on this channel on our little test course over here, and seeing which one drags further, and hopefully once and for all answering the question that we've all been asking: which will drag further, Coke or Pepsi? Come on. All right, once again today we'll be using the long board. We'll have this wire as usual tied up from the back with the GoPro pointed off the back. We'll tie this wire around these bottle caps here, and we'll drag it till they can't drag no more. All right, here we are on our test course. We're gonna tie up the Pepsi first to this long board, and we're gonna drag it down the road here, our test course, which is 450 feet long, one way down the road. And we'll count a lap as going one way down 450 feet and back up, so a total of 900 feet. Also, assuming that the bottle just gets a tiny hole in it and starts spraying out, I'm not gonna stop until it loses all of its pressure. So if it starts spraying a little, we'll keep going until it stops spraying, and that's what we'll call the final distance. So let's get this show on the road. All right, here we are sitting in our puddle of Pepsi. I was expecting a small hole, but that was a catastrophic failure. So I'd say we made it probably about 100 feet on this Pepsi bottle. We lost the wrapper after about 20 feet, just spread it off onto the road. And we were just making it down to the course here whenever this bottle just had all it could take. So Pepsi, 100 feet. Let's go ahead and get that Coke tied on. All right, here's that Coke, still nice and tight, shooken up. We're gonna tie that off and see if it can outlast that Pepsi, and see who wins once and for all the epic battle. Here we go. That's one lap and we just started leaking. 450. All right, I think I got soaked. It looks like you did too. That's 1,350 feet. We just made it 1.5 laps, and it just ran out of pressure. So it got all twisted up, and I think that jet may have been helping it get twisted up and got right up beside me and was just soaking me. So we'll take this back, and I'll meet you in the top secret lab. Let's go that way. All right, YouTube, welcome back to the Top Secret Lab. Obviously, we have a definitive winner, and I can't say that I'm too surprised, can I? I mean, look at the color shirt I'm wearing. So, we have our victor here. Coca-Cola by far outlasted the Pepsi. The Pepsi made it about 100 feet, and the Coca-Cola bottle made it 1,350 feet. So 1.5 laps, or 3 passes all the way up and down that street. So there you have it. Thanks for watching How Far Will It Drag? Again, this is the Ernest P YouTube channel. If you're new here, if you like the videos, give it a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have something that you want to see drug, leave it in the comments below and we'll try and do that. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day, and as always, peace out.